and then let's work out our D there. D, this is the one that you're looking for. Calculate the effective annual interest rate. Now somebody's asking the question, yes, when are we going to deliver the effective annual interest rate? Because we're comparing the annual interest rate with the nominal interest rate. Okay, so now let's try to look at that. Now, by look at things, what is going to happen? D. Now we know that if you remember in crate 11, there is a formula that is specified for our nominal interest rate and the effective annual interest rate. Okay, does anyone still remember that one? We can also use the amount that we've got there at C there, which is C. What is the amount? Yeah, A equals to 19,116.44 cents. Okay, then how are we going to work out the effective interest rate? That is I here. We're going to have P into 1 plus I all squared equals to 19,116.44 cents. Okay, and then what is the next thing? We just divide by, we substitute our, we didn't substitute, then P, it's 15,000 into 1 plus I squared equals to 19,116.44 cents. Okay, and now since we want I there, which is our effective annual interest rate, the way it has been defined, this is the relevant formula. Then let's try to work it out. 1 plus I all squared equals to 19,116.44 cents divided by 15,000. Am I right? Then what is the answer there? It's 1,2. Remember, we don't round it off while we are still busy with our problems here in financial maths. This is not our I, but it's 1 plus I all squared. All right. So what is going to be our I? Next step is saying 1 plus I. According to the laws of exponent, if we want to get rid of this, we multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2 is square root. Am I right? Or it's going to be, it's a square root, or it's going to be multiplied by half. All right? The reciprocal of that is half or square root of this. So it's 1. All right? Remember, that's how we work it out, that 2. Then its reciprocal is its reciprocal is the square root. Okay? The square root, remember, to exponential it's a half, which is the reciprocal of that. So that's why it's removed here. And then what is the square root of 1,27? And then it's going to be 1,128,906. Remember, we don't round it off. Minus 1. Then this one is square root of 1,274429. Okay, then this is the answer, and then here we find our I to be the square root of that minus this one, because 1 it was added to I according to the laws of equations. Then if you want to transpose this one, you have to subtract it there. So then what is the answer there? We're going to get our I to be 0,128906255. Then what is your I there? And then your I, we say therefore I is equals to, in percentage, then you're going to round it off to 2 decimal places, 12 comma, so we multiply by 100. If you multiply by 100, if you take it to percentages, 12,89, because if you round it off this one, it's gonna be 12,89%. So then it's your R. So this is your effective annual interest rate according to this example. Okay, all right, now let's get to the next one. First